Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'll be showing you how you can save your Google Sheets file as an Excel file. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and as you can see guys, this is my Google Sheets file that I have turned into an Excel file, and we're going to practice how we can do it. For example, I'm going to save this file as an Excel file in this Google Sheets. Okay, let's just click on this three dots button. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the Save as Excel. So this one, you have to tap on it. Then you just need to wait until the process is completed. And once the process has been completed, so the symbol of the file will be turned into an Excel symbol. This is an Excel symbol, and this is the Google Sheets symbol. Alright guys, and that's how we can save Google Sheets file and as an Excel file and the Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.